You know what's really scary? We spend on average 4 hours every day worrying about the past. 4 hours. That's almost half a workday that we're just throwing away. Now picture this scene. A young woman named Sveta can't fall asleep all night. She keeps replaying yesterday's conversation with her boss over and over in her head. Every word, every intonation. What if I answered wrong? What if he fires me now? Why did I even say that? Sounds familiar? I bet it does. Because thoughts like these visit each and every one of us. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching us from, and hit like if you want to know what's most surprising. But here's what's really shocking. Scientists from Harvard conducted a study and discovered something mind-blowing. Our brain physically can't tell the difference between real events and ones we just imagine. This means when Sveta relives that conversation, her body experiences the exact same stress. As if it's happening right now. Adrenaline, cortisol, rapid heartbeat, it's all real. It's crazy. We're torturing ourselves with events that don't even exist in reality anymore. But why is our brain wired this way? Did nature really create us to suffer? It's all about evolution. Thousands of years ago, the ability to analyze past mistakes saved lives. Our ancestor who remembered where he met that saber-toothed tiger survived. The carefree optimist became lunch. But today, this ancient program is malfunctioning. The brain can't tell the difference between a tiger and a strict boss. So here we are lying awake at night, digesting conversations that ended long ago. Absurd, right? Psychologist Susan Nolan-Hoeksema called this phenomenon mental rumination, like a cow chewing grass. Except the cow at least gets some benefit from the process. And us? We just wear ourselves out. You know what's most insidious about this thinking trap? We feel like we're actually solving something. The brain convinces us. Just think a little more, and I'll definitely find a way out. But it never happens. Because ruminating and problem solving are completely different processes. Real solutions require action, not endless analysis of what already happened. Remember the story about Sveta? A week later, it turned out her boss didn't even remember that conversation. He was just tired and sleep-deprived. And she spent 7 nights worrying over nothing. But how do you break free from this vicious cycle? How do you stop this endless carousel of thoughts? The first method seems simple, but it works better than any medication. It's called the stop signal technique. As soon as you catch yourself spiraling, loudly say, "Stop!" and switch to something physical. You can do 10 push-ups, drink a glass of water, or just change your position. The key is breaking the rhythm. Sounds primitive? But it works. Neuroscientist Judson Brewer proved this scientifically. Physical actions literally reboot neural networks, like a computer after restart. The second method is even more powerful. It's called the time boundaries technique. Set aside exactly 10 minutes a day for worrying. Yes, official suffering time. Set a timer and worry to your heart's content. But when it rings, that's it. Enough. The brain calms down because it knows it has legal time to analyze the past. And the rest of the time you just say, "Not now, I'll think about it at the scheduled time." But the most revolutionary technique is the alternative history method. Get ready to be amazed. Instead of replaying traumatic events, come up with 10 different explanations for them. Boss was rude? Maybe his tooth hurts. Or problems at home. Or he admires your resilience. The more absurd the versions, the better. Maybe he's an alien who doesn't understand human emotions. This isn't self-deception. It's flexibility training for your thinking. We'll never know the truth anyway. And if that's the case, why not choose versions that don't destroy our psyche? Neuropsychologist Rick Hansen explains it simply. The brain is like Velcro for negativity and Teflon for positivity. Negative thoughts stick by themselves, while good ones need to be specially glued through training and repetition. And here's another paradox. The more we try not to think about something, the more we think about it. Remember the white bear experiment? Try not thinking about a white bear right now. Working? Of course not. Because prohibition creates additional attention to the object. So don't fight thoughts directly. Just switch your attention to something else. The here and now rule works best. Focus on what's happening in this moment. Feel your feet on the floor. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin. This is reality. The past exists only in your memory, the future only in imagination. Life happens now. And now the most important secret. Ready? Every thought about the past steals a second of the present, and these seconds can never be returned. While you relive yesterday, today passes you by. Imagine life as a river. You can flow with the current or cling to logs on the shore. Our old grudges, regrets, and missed opportunities become those logs. But let go, and the river will carry you to new shores, new opportunities, a new life. Remember, what was has already shaped you, gave you experience, strength, wisdom. But now your task isn't to carry the past like a heavy backpack, but use it as a springboard. Sveta from our story learned this. Now she falls asleep in 5 minutes and wakes up smiling, because she understood a simple truth. The past is a textbook, not a prison.